Let's face it, you guys use and abuse these Jeeps. You go off-roading all the time. You need something rugged and reliable. What about your lighting? At Headlight Revolution, we are enthusiasts and we try to find the best and brightest, most rugged and reliable lighting out there. So here I've got a taillight. This is the 07 to 18 Jeep Wrangler taillight from Morimoto. It's got a carbon fiber look, and best of all, you can just install it and forget it. That's exactly what we love at Headlight Revolution. So let's go and slap this on this Jeep, see how it looks, and see how it performs. Now this Jeep came in here with these Recon taillights, and I have nothing really bad to say about them. The brake lights are great, the reverse light's really bright, and it's smoked out. I mean, that's super cool, especially with this darker color Jeep. Comparing it to the Morimoto XB taillight though, it does have a few lacking features. Honestly, in my opinion, these 3D Infinity taillights from Morimoto look way better than that of the Recon. When you put it in reverse, the middle lights up and it's extremely bright, brighter than the Recon ones, I will say. Just by looking at it and at the wall when you back it up, it is significantly brighter. And when you're braking, they're actually better than the Recon ones too. When you hit the brakes, they are so much brighter, which will also keep you safer when you're going down the trails when it's really dusty or snowing. Turn signals are super bright as well, so everybody knows where you're going. Now, one more thing to note about these carbon fiber taillights is that JW Speaker has these headlights that match that carbon fiber look to complete the look of your Jeep. Now to install these, it's super simple. You just take out the 2 screws on the inner side. Take those out with a Phillips screwdriver, you don't need a drill. From there you can work the headlight out. To remove the connector, you press on this little tab. It might be kind of tough if you go off-roading a lot and there's a lot of caked in mud. If you need a pry tool or a screwdriver, that might help. And grab your other taillight. Plug the connectors back in, feed the connectors into the back, push your taillight back in, and reinstall those 2 screws on the inner side. It's seriously that easy. Now, as you can see, modifying the back end of your Jeep is not hard at all. But look, it doesn't stop there. So as you can see on the front of this thing, there's some incredible looking Baja lighting. Right now, I'm gonna go through a whole bunch of different lights and see if these truly are the best lights for this Jeep. I don't know if they are yet, that's why we do the testing here at Headlight Revolution. We're also gonna test the rock lights. What rock light kit is actually the best out there? Because there's so many of them. Guys, find us on headlightrevolution.com and keep watching our videos on YouTube. We really appreciate it. Have a good one.